All right, motor clip. So we go to SketchUp, go here, decimal millimeters. Okay. Click on that, and then we're going to go up to Untitled. In SketchUp, I want you to name it motor clip and hyphen your name. Okay, not my name, your name. Okay. So wait until it's saved. Okay, get rid of our friend here. Tap C, circle tool. We click one time here and drag out on the origin. Now I want you to drag out 10.5 millimeters and hit enter. Okay. Now it just seems like it disappeared, but we're going to roll in, hover over it and roll in. And you can see that it's actually there. It's just really small. We want a second one. Click on the origin, drag out, and then we're going to type in 14.5 and hit enter. Okay. Now what we're going to do, kind of rotate to the top. Okay. With the line tool, L, click once here. Okay. And then we're going to switch to the tape measure tool, which is T. You click once here and then gesture your mouse up until it goes to 8 millimeters on the green axis. Click. Do the same thing. Click once here, gesture down. I'm not holding the mouse button down. Okay. And then click again, 8 millimeters. I'm going to do that again. Click here, gesture up, and we're going to go 12 millimeters. Click here, gesture down, 12 millimeters. Okay. At this point, we're going to draw some lines, okay? I want to draw with the line tool. I'm going to go here where it says intersection. I click one time. I'm not holding anything down. Move over, click again, okay? Go click one time here. Click there. And then click over here, intersection, okay? So now what I'm going to do is click here on the endpoint, and then on that green axis, I'm going to come over to this line here. Click one time, and then click over here. So creating that corner. I'm going to do that on every corner I have. So click here, and then over to there. Okay, we want there. Oh, just kidding. So we want to click here, and then on the green axis, sorry about that, start in the center, come out. Click there, and then come out to here. Okay, so I guess it's better to start in the center. So click here, go on the green axis until we hit there, and then over there, and then start here, green axis until I hit here, click, and then come over here like that. Okay, looking pretty good. I think that, all right, that makes sense. I want to go here where it says intersection and click and draw all the way up to this edge, and then click here where it says intersection again, click and drag until it goes all the way up to the edge. Okay, now I can start erasing some things. Before I do that, tap C, go to the center, click one time and drag out until we hit 6 millimeters. Okay, right there. Click. Okay. L tool again, the line tool. We go to this edge here, click here, and then on the red axis, go all the way up until we hit the edge. Okay, click here all the way up until we hit the edge. Okay. So we go E, and we're going to erase that edge. We're going to erase this edge. 1, 2, 3, 4. Erase those. We're going to erase that edge, this guy here, this guy here, this guy, this guy, this guy, two. Okay, kind of erasing all these pieces until we get something that looks like that. So it's like two U's. We have an outside U like that and an inside U. Okay. Once you've done that, we're going to select that inside and get rid of that. Okay. Make sure that you hit save as you go along and hit yes, purge all. Just kidding. Wait, I accidentally deleted that line right there. So I want to, forgive me. That's funny. There we go. Okay. Accidentally deleted that. If you make any mistakes like that, just hit Control Z and that backs it up. All right, next thing I'm going to do is go P, push, pull, and I hover over this, click one time and gesture up. We're going to go 4 millimeters. Click. I click another time, gesture up. You can either go on face, okay, or type 4 millimeters, okay, and then on face. All right, once we've done that, click here, gesture up. I want to type in 26. You can see that down in the distance in the right-hand corner. And hit enter, okay, and make sure you hit save at this point, okay. So I'm going to go L, drag from here to here, and that seals that off, but I want to go to the back, tap the space bar and select this side, and I want to go reverse faces, and then this section in here, I made a little, looks like I deleted something that I didn't mean to. So you can go here and then go down like that. Actually, maybe there. Yeah. Sometimes just drawing a line, just a random line, will allow you to, and then you can delete it right away. You can get rid of this and this and this and that guy. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is rotate to the top, P, push, pull. We're going to go up 4 millimeters, okay? And trap L and go corner to corner here, click once, and then that seals that off. We are almost done with this section, okay? So I'm going to tap C, okay? And you'll notice that I can't find the center there. That's the center I want. But if you go over here, it kind of, on the edge, it will triangulate and allow me to find it. Now it'll snap to it, which is really convenient. We're going to click once here and drag out, and you want to go to 4 millimeters. You can see that in the lower right corner. If you can't get it to snap there, just type 4. Okay. We're going to go from the edge here, from the end point. Okay. If you want to make sure you have the right one, go from the end point, center, like that, and then we get these edges here. If you're going across the center, you'll be good. We want to come across on the red axis, and then down here, up on the blue axis. Red axis from the end point across to here, and then down there and up there. Okay. So P, push, pull, click once here, and then drag down. Click once here and drag down. Click once here and drag down. So that does the little cutout. That's going to be for the end of the motor right there. And tap, you can see that the motor is just going to get cradled in there. I'm using the erase tool right now. Make sure that I didn't erase any geometry on the back side, which is good. This is just cosmetic. It's really not going to affect the print. Okay. There's one little thing. We have to make sure we make room for the little motor leads, and those are going to be over here on the right. So here we want to go down, kind of rotate this direction, tap T, and zoom in, and on the edge right here, and we're going to go up 4 millimeters, just like that. Okay, click L, line tool, go intersection to intersection. Okay, and P, push, pull. We're going to push this in. Nice, 1 and 2 millimeters. Okay, and that is officially the end. That leaves room for our wires to come out the side there. All right, so that is the end of part 1. Make sure you save it. And we can go over here to the display and delete all our guides. And that is the beginning of our little motor holder, our motor clip. All right.